The Boy and the Bird. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Sadik. He was poor, but his heart was full of kindness. Whenever he had a little food, he shared it with others, even when he himself was hungry. One day, as he was walking through the forest, he saw a small bird lying on the ground. A broken branch had injured its wings. The bird was shivering and trying to fly, but it could not. Sadik did not walk away. He gently picked up the bird, placed it safely in his pocket, and took it home. He shared his food with it, gave it water, and kept it warm. After 3 days, the bird became strong again. Early one morning, it flew into the sky, circled above Sadik, and then dropped a small shining gourd in front of him before flying away. When Sadik opened the gourd, he found it filled with seeds. He planted them behind his house. After a short time, the seeds grew into a tree that produced plenty of fruit. From that day on, Sadik and his family never went hungry again.